Welcome to our channel. If you need to activate your Synchrony employee card by phone, follow this quick guide to get your card ready for use in just a few minutes. Step 1. Locate the activation phone number provided with your Synchrony employee card. This number is typically found on a sticker attached to your card or in the welcome materials you received. Step 2. Call the Synchrony card activation hotline from your phone. Have your card and personal information ready before making the call to expedite the process. Step 3. Listen carefully to the automated voice prompts. Select your preferred language if given the option, then choose the menu selection for card activation. Step 4. When prompted, enter your complete 16-digit card number using your phone's keypad. Make sure to enter all digits correctly and wait for the system to acknowledge your entry. Step 5. Provide your personal information for verification, such as your social security number, date of birth, or other identifying information as requested by the automated system. Step 6. If asked, create a 4-digit PIN for your card. You'll need to enter your chosen PIN twice to confirm it. Choose a PIN that's memorable but secure. Step 7. Listen for the confirmation message from the system indicating that your Synchrony employee card has been successfully activated. The system may also provide your available credit limit and other account details. Step 8. Make a small test purchase or check your card balance to ensure the activation was successful and your card is working properly for transactions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.